Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the upper dish rack in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the dish rack is damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we'll pull out our top dish rack here. And in order to get the dish rack off, we're going to have to take off the stoppers on the end here. So we'll just pull straight up on that and pull it out. And same thing on this side, we're going to pull straight up on the stopper and then pull it straight out. Now with the stoppers out of the way, you should be able to pull your dish rack straight out. So now you can see here on our upper dish rack, we've got a bunch of stuff that we're going to have to take off before we can replace it with the new one, because the new one doesn't come with all the extra stuff. We just have a couple extra accessories here as well. So we're going to start with our wheels here, and in order to get the wheels off, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and push in on this piece right here, and that'll push the tab down, and then we can set it back up and slide the tab all the way down. That unlocks the wheel. We can twist it and pull it out. And we'll do the same thing for each wheel. So I'll use my flathead again, push down on this, unlock the tab, and pull it out. Now on the top here, we've got our top spray arm. So in order to remove that, all we have to do is just push up on it. There's a couple of tabs on the inside here, so just push those in, push up, and then on this bottom part right here, same thing. And once those are pushed up, you can then squeeze it from the other side, like so, and feed those tabs down through, just like that. And same thing with these ones up here. And that'll detach the top spray arm. And now I've got these clips right here in the middle, and all I have to do for those is just from the bottom push up and they come right off. And now for these extra little shelves on the sides, all we have to do is push down on these little tabs right here and push up, and that should pop these free, just like that. And now we can bend it down and pull up, just like that. And now the rest of it will come right off. Okay, so same thing here, push in and push up, flip that down, pull that up, and this piece will come right out. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement upper dish rack. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now with our new dish rack, if you want, you can put all your accessories back on. If not, you don't have to, but we're going to put all of our accessories back on. We're going to actually start with our wheels here. Just slide that in, turn it, and flip it up, and push up on this tab here. And then again in the middle, about where we had our other one. That in, pushed up. And we also need to put our spray arm on. So that goes on the bottom here. And it lines up the back. So we'll squeeze in both arms on the side here and push that up through the rack. Same thing on this side. There we go. And once it's through, you can just pull it down and lock it into place. There we go. Now we had a couple of these clips here, so we'll just put that in here, slide that down, and push that down, and it clicks into place. There we go. So now we're going to put the shelf back into place, and that goes on our outside here, and push it straight down. So it's clipped into place now. Then we get the top part of our shelf, and then push that straight down on here, and now it's locked into place. Okay, just get that guy right in there, and we actually had to bend it, so we'll bend it a little bit and push it down and snap it in, and we get our shelf here and snap that on. There we go. And now we'll take our upper rack and we'll line up the wheels and get those inside of the track there and push that all the way back. You just want to make sure that both go inside. This one didn't. So we're going to try one more time and slide it all the way back. So now we're going to slide our track out just a little bit again, and we're going to put our stoppers back in place. There we go. So that'll stop the track from going out again. And now we can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.